Okay, so most people have alarm systems in their houses, and you got a panel of some kind, maybe push button. I got a touch panel. This is a Honeywell. I really like it. They've got a few different ones that they make, but you got to have power to it. So on your alarm system, your panel, most people have a wire that runs down. It goes to the plug, stapled. You know, you paint it the color of the wall, still looks pretty ugly. Even if you don't have a plug nearby, if you have a wall on the back side or a closet, preferably, you can make some changes to make it look nice and neat. If you have a switch, there's power. So what I did is I took the power from my switch, put a plug on the other side of the wall, put the wire through the wall, and plugged it in the back. So now there's a nice clean wall. I'm going to show you what that looks like. So what I did is I connected power to that switch panel, and I went through the back side, went over slightly because you can't put the box directly behind it. There's no room in the wall. And then I put in another plug. From there, I plug in that big, giant, ugly box with the wire. Then I go through the back. That way, the front is nice and neat. So I recommend this. It's makes it look a lot nicer. Give it a much cleaner look.